Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So in last class we all have seen a place how computer use. So in today also in this video we all are going to learn more about how computers uses at some places. Okay? Now I would like to ask you all that how many uses of a computer at home? I already explained you. So you all have to recall your method where I have taught you about the computer used at home. Yes, playing games, good, watching movies, drawing pictures. Yes, now I will show you what you all have tell me. Playing games, listening music, draw a picture, solving a sums. So very good class. You all have seen and clear about how computer used at home. So now we are going to learn the next place, uses of computer at school. You all are very new. You all are in the grade 1. So you don't gone through the computer, what school uses for computer. But you know the teachers are preparing papers, the teachers are preparing timetables, teachers are preparing schedules. So many things are teachers are preparing for you. But now you all have to explore more and more about the uses of computer. I will show you in the course book and then after we'll discuss. Now the uses of computer at school, you all have to read along with me. Teachers uses computers for teaching. You all know in Zoom class also I use laptop. So teachers are using computer for teaching. Teachers are using computer for preparing test papers and report cards. When your result comes up, teachers prepare your result in computer, your exams. From the application book, worksheet 2.1, chapter 2. You all have to do this worksheet at your home. What you all have to do? Cross the picture where computer are not being used. You all have to cross in the front of that picture in the box where computer are not used. Where computer are not used. So you all have to only cross that picture only in this check box, in this boxes. Okay? So students, now you all have to write correct or incorrect against these statements. So first statement is you can draw on a computer. You can draw on a computer. Incorrect or correct? Correct. You cannot play on computer. Yes, you can. So that's why the statement is incorrect. Smartboard teaching does not use a computer. If your teacher wants to study on your computer, so it use computer? Yes. So statement is incorrect. Computer used. Computer can be used to play music. Correct or incorrect? Correct. So try at your home, read all the statements again and write the statements in your rough notebook. Now students, you all have to write the two games of a name that you play on a computer or mobile. You all have to write the two games name on this blanks. In your textbook, course book, page number 15. Now students, I would like to ask you all, when you all go to any shopping mall or restaurant? Okay, in vacation, in Sundays. So what you have seen there? Oh, you all have seen computer and computers are making bill. So very good. Now I will show you the textbook content, how computers are used at shopping malls, shops and restaurants. Computers are used at shop, malls and restaurants. Everywhere computer used. At shopping mall also, malls, restaurant. They help us to make bills. What they help us? They makes us to help bill. If we go restaurant, we pay for the food. If we go for the mall, we pay for the items we have buy. If we buy clothes, food, items, grocery. So their computers are used. So you all have to do the checkpoint 2, page number 15. Again, checkpoint 2. Name 2 shops or mall where you have seen computers making bill. So here you all have to write 2 shops name or mall where you have seen computers making bill. Now you all have to do worksheet 2.2 from chapter number 2 in application book. Fill in the blanks, match the following statements to the picture. First of all, you all have to fill in the blanks and then after you all have to match the pictures. First is, at shops, computers are used for making bills. Teachers uses computer to prepare test papers. You can play games on computer. You can listen -to on computer music. So you all have to first fill in the blanks and then after you all have to match the following. I hope you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to refer Mypedia integrated app for learning. If from app you can use textbook, that is course book and application book. Be safe students. Stay home. Bye.